Here at AC Works, we take pride in the fact that we continue to develop new products based on our customer feedback. After a lot of tinkering and time, we finally have our right angle elbow configuration for 3-prong locking plugs and connectors. Available in nearly every NEMA configuration, these right angle plugs and connectors help reduce strain on the cords and save space in tight places. When you receive your 3-prong locking plug or connector, you have 3 angle options in which to install it. Come check them out on acworks.com by searching ASE followed by the NEMA configuration you're looking for. For a NEMA L530 male plug, search ASE L530P. For a NEMA L720 female connector, search ASE L720R. Follow the same search for your other 3-prong locking plug or connector needs. We hope this quick guide helps you find a reliable AC Works power solution. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and product insights to keep your adventures powered up.